Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will help you to pick the best hosting plan for you. I am now, for this account, I am using premium web hosting plan. Just months ago, they were offering the a single plan which gives you the right to have a single website, then the premium and the business. Now they removed the single plan and they added this cloud startup plan. The first difference between these plans is the performance. You can choose between the standard, the 5x performance, or the 10x. For beginners or new or starter WordPress websites, standard performance is highly enough to start with. The third difference is the storage size and type. 100 gigabyte is more than enough. SSD or NVMe. The NVMe is the second version of the SSD and it is faster. So if you look for better performance, go with the NVMe storage. You can also choose between weekly backups or daily backups. Weekly for beginners, automatic weekly backups is enough. The unlimited free SSL is available in all three plans. Same thing with the bandwidth, free email, and free domain. The next difference is about the free CDN. CDN is a technology that copies the files of your website and store them in different servers around the world. This way, when a visitor visits your website, they show them the files from the nearest server. This way, your website becomes faster. Having a dedicated IP address or not is not interesting for beginners. The next difference is about having a WooCommerce, basic WooCommerce or standard WooCommerce. I see that not having WooCommerce is not a big deal because you can install it manually. The next feature to choose between is the free automatic website migration, which is available in all three plans. Same thing with the one-click WordPress installation and pre-built templates. Personally, I didn't use these plugins, WordPress Acceleration Lightspeed. That feature, it means having this plugin called Lightspeed automatically installed with your WordPress. You can install it also manually. WordPress auto update, vulnerability scanner, compatibility checker, multi-site, WPCLI available in all three plans. WordPress staging tool. This staging tool means the ability to make a copy of your WordPress site. This way, when you make modifications, it is not seen on your original WordPress. This way, if your modifications make your website go offline, for example, it will still be online for your visitors because your modifications are only applied on the second version of your WordPress site. Object Cache is also responsible for your WordPress website speed. If you want more speed, you can go with the second plan. In terms of speed, just first Hostinger plan is enough for most of Hostinger users, which are beginners, of course. On-demand backup. On-demand backup is not that important because you can have on-demand backup from your WordPress dashboard using a plugin. The second modifications are around website builder. I will not go this route because it's another topic. If you want me to discuss it, just let me know in the comments below. The second group of differences is about security. The only difference is between standard DDoS protection and enhanced. Since I did not explain what is the difference between enhanced and standard, so I can't explain it, but in general I've used Hostinger for many years and thankfully I didn't experience any bad security problem. The last difference between these plans is about priority support. Lately in the 2023, Hostinger customer support was very fast. Unfortunately, in these last months, they started going slower and also welcoming you with a chatbot. So to avoid this chatbot, you have to ask him, please connect me to a real human. If you don't ask him this question, you will continue receiving support from a bot, which is not good. Right now, the best web hosting provider in terms of customer support is Namecheap. I've used them lately, and their customer support was good in terms of speed to connect and also in their quality. That was all for this video. Make sure to use my Hostinger link down below in the description. Using this link will support me make more videos without any extra cost to you. So thank you. Thank you also for your like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.